Hello, engineers and architects. So today we are going to make an mezzanine floor in our shed. So let's go to the mezzanine tab and we'll toggle on this option, enable timber mezzanine. And as you can see, the mezzanine floor has been enabled. Let's zoom it a little bit and you can change the height of the mezzanine floor like this, and you can adjust the width. You can give it a full width, or you can adjust the length. Length is actually into the shed, so basically it depends upon the base spacing of the base of your shed. And we also have these alignment options for the mezzanine floor. Like we can align the mezzanine on the left hand side of the shed or on the right side or in the center, or we can give it a full width. So basically what it does, that we are doing it on the back side. So this is our front side. So if we look from front, this will be left and this will be right. So don't get confused with these options. You can play around with all the options and you will get to know how to use the measurement floor.